Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to remove the Instagram account from the Facebook page on PC. First, open Google Chrome on your PC and search for Facebook. Now, log in and click on your profile icon in the top right corner. Then, click on your page from the menu. Once you're on your page, go to the Page Profile section. Now, click on About. Then, scroll down to the section called Website and Social Links. Here, you will see your Instagram account listed. Click on the pencil icon next to it. Now, delete your Instagram username from the field. Finally, click on Save. That's it, your Instagram account has been removed from your Facebook page using a PC. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.